Understanding the JavaScript for in loop. The JavaScript for in loop is a tool that allows coders to iterate through every property in an object, including those in the prototype chain. Syntax for variable and object, code to be executed. The variable on the left of the in keyword represents the property name. The object on the right is the one being inspected. Example of a JavaScript for in loop. Example, iterate over person object and log a string to the console that includes the property name and its corresponding value. Using the JavaScript for in loop with arrays. The for in loop can also be used with arrays, which are a type of object in JavaScript. It will not only iterate over the array elements, but also over any additional properties. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. The for in loop iterates over all properties, including properties in the object's prototype chain. To ensure only accessing the object's own properties, use the hasOwnProperty method. For in loop does not guarantee any particular order when iterating over an array. Use a for or for loop instead when order matters. Tips and tricks? Use the for in loop when you need to inspect every property in an object. When using the for in loop with arrays, remember that it will also iterate over any additional properties, not just the array elements. If the order of iteration is important, consider using a for of loop instead of a for in loop. Always use the hasOwnProperty method in a for in loop to ensure that you're only accessing the object's own properties.